In the warm sunshine by the gentle stream lives a friendly creature like a water dream. Capybara walks slow and calm, so sweet, with a soft brown coat and tiny toes to greet. Hey! Capy-ba-ra, let's splash and play. Capy-ba-ra, down by the bay. Capy-ba-ra, happy and free. Capy-ba-ra, come splash with me. In the morning dew, he greets the dawn, nibbling grasses on the river lawn. He loves his family close by his side. Together they wander, in peace they glide.